Daddy's laughing at you.
Looks like he's at the disco.
Are you disco with Zohan?
Rudy.
I know. Honey, you're not wearing any pants, and this is a family video.
Stop the camera from me. I'm trying to protect our son.
Daddy's in his Calvin Kleins. Hi, Bubby. Can you smile? Can you smile? Yeah, can you do it? Can you do it? Can you do it?
These guys, I got you both. I got you both because I have some. Oh, one of you likes being caught and the other one does not. Oh no. Much rebelling by a rooster.